Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're back with a brand new video where we'll talk about how you can get customers organically by leveraging YouTube marketing. Make sure to stick with us till the end because we're going to share a few important tips that you wouldn't want to miss. The best part about YouTube is not just that your audience is there, it's also the second largest search engine. YouTube can improve your SEO and the overall presence of your brand. You can showcase this by posting different content that people will enjoy. Modern businesses are increasingly adopting YouTube as a marketing channel. Studies have shown it to be very effective too, which explains its growing popularity. Entrepreneurs are using YouTube to reach new customers and attract the next generation of clients. In this video, we will tell you how you can do the same. Let's get started. Number 1, build your image as an online personality and connect with your audience. If you're a small business with a big personality, why not showcase it in your own YouTube videos? It will increase your online presence, reach potential customers, and help build your company's credibility. YouTube offers the opportunity to show your products, speak authoritatively on them, and build brand recognition. You're able to reach out and establish a virtual connection with customers or prospective clients in a way that's never been possible before. Number 2, produce how-to videos. If you're a business owner, then you probably have extensive knowledge that other people would find to be very useful. We often think of YouTube as a way to entertain ourselves, but it also has potential for use in business. Get creative and think of ways that your company could use the platform to attract and engage with customers. For instance, you can create a product comparison or a product review video. You can also show customer testimonials in your videos. Maybe you want to highlight instructions within the video, like how to use a specific product or service. These kinds of videos are valuable to the audience, and they might even end up becoming customers of your business. Third, provide offers and giveaways. If you use YouTube frequently, then you might already know about how YouTubers give away makeup products, merchandise, gadgets, etc. This is a trend that has been popularized by successful entrepreneurs and YouTube stars who have used this tactic to grow their audience. They give away products in exchange for permission to use their followers as a marketing tool. This type of strategy is the perfect way to get people to watch, subscribe, and share your videos on YouTube. With these tactics in place, you'll find that your channel has a larger reach with a lot more visibility to your videos. Next is to include call to action in your videos. YouTube is a popular social media platform that allows you to speak directly to a worldwide audience. From promotional content, tutorials, and how-to videos, there is something for everyone on YouTube. You can even use your video as a way to encourage others to take a specific action. YouTube gives you the opportunity to speak directly to your audience and influence them. For example, you can use CTA like, subscribe to our channel, like this video, follow my link to get a 30% discount, use a code, etc. You can also use the call to action approach by hosting a contest that encourages people to participate in it. And in order to participate, they must do something specific for your brand. This entices people to take action and try their luck at winning some type of prize. Next comes consistency. First of all, if you want to be present in people's minds more often, you need to be consistent in your posts. Failing to do so might result in them forgetting about you and your company, which would lead to the loss of valuable customers or clients. You need to understand the importance of consistent posting because posting at a regular interval sits well with the YouTube algorithm. This will make your videos rank higher. YouTube operates with a unique algorithm and it helps in the process of bringing viewers to your videos. When people use YouTube, your video might have the chance to show up automatically, which means the audience won't need to search for your videos. More people will be visiting your channel and viewing your videos, which will eventually lead to higher subscriptions. Next is optimizing your channel. It is vital that you optimize your channel for greater reach. Customize your channel art and profile photo to match your company branding. This will help you stand out among other channels and connect with your audience better. A few other things that you can do to make your channel more optimized are segmenting your videos into categorical playlists, including a channel trailer that reflects what your channel is about, adding a custom end card to direct viewers to other videos of your channel, increasing the accessibility of your videos through closed captioning, incorporating language translations in your subtitles, and so much more. Lastly, use YouTube Analytics efficiently. Tracking your YouTube Analytics is important for understanding what your audience likes the most, where they are watching from, and what they are searching for. YouTube Analytics will help you to determine if your marketing efforts are working or not. It will also help you to grow your audience by focusing on the content that is popular with them. With the help of YouTube Analytics, you can track metrics like view duration, views, subscribers, watch times, top performing videos, impressions, and click-through rate. With this, we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and got to learn something new today. Comment down below what other YouTube marketing tactics can attract more customers. Please don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.